A round of applause, please. Secretary Christina Garcia-Frasco will lead the covering of polls where the capsule was dropped. She will then be followed by the other officials. Please stand by leaders for the photo opportunity. Let us now proceed to the photo opportunity with the officials. May we call our mayors to please join our officials in front? May we also call the members of the Sangguniang Bayan of Initao and other LGU officials to join the photo opportunity in front. Thank you very much. I now request everyone to proceed to the Initao Municipal Hall.
rights for the respective roles of the TOT, the TIEZA, and the LGU of Initao with respect to the construction, operations, and maintenance of the tourist